Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's Derby back with another coding tutorial, and today I'll be showing you guys how you guys can code your very own Discord bot on Eclipse IDE. The download link will be in the description, as for everything in this video. If I forget to put something in the description, which I don't think will happen, but if I do somehow, just let me know in the description. In the comments, and I'll make sure to put it in the description. So, I'll be showing you guys how you guys can make a bot just like this throughout a part series. This is part 1. Hopefully, there'll be another part. I know I'm not too hot with keeping parts, but you know, keeping series. Like on my FNAF series, I know that's still there. I haven't forgotten about it. It's just I haven't really wanted to continue it. I don't know. But hopefully I will continue this one because I'm very passionate about it. So, this bot right here, I made especially for a server called Wenwood. And yeah, so if we do dash wake up, it's supposed to wake up chat. So it says this: alright, wake up. This command was run because y'all slacking. Wake the hell up, people. And then it says this guy called you to wake up chat. And then that's the avatar of who did the command. I know it's a test, just gonna let them know. So yeah, we also host giveaways, so the link will be in the description to this Discord. Oh yeah, I also made a K-pop command, which is pretty nice. Alright, so what we're gonna want to do is I'm gonna show you this command also. So I'm going to be showing you a very basic command called test, and the bot will just say yo back after you say test. So what we're going to be doing, whoops, wrong one. This right here is my actual server of that's my actual server, like the WAN bot right here. So let's get started. And let's create a project, Java project, just like that. And then we need to call it a name. So I will call it tutorial bot. So yeah, just call it tutorial bot. And that should be good. We're gonna go into our source, and I'm going to make a package. So I'm just gonna do new package, and do your name, or maybe if it's a website, you're gonna do com as your domain, and then it's basically your domain backwards. But I'm going to do just my Roblox name, because I just do that really for everything I code. So I'm gonna do compromised, and yes, I know compromised isn't spelled right. Compromised dev, and then we're gonna name it .tut bot, because that's what I will name the bot. And then we're gonna click on finish. And now once we do that, we're going to want to go onto the Discord developer portal. I'm not going to click on that because it has some sensitive information. So Discord developer portal, just like that. So yeah, that's the WAN bot right here. And now let's create a new application, and I'm going to call it tutorial bot. Create. Now we go to the bot tab, and we're going to add bot. Yes, do it. And here we go. So I'm gonna give administrator privileges, and yeah, I'm not gonna change the image. You guys can change the image if you want. You can change the name, etc. But yeah, next we're gonna go into the auth, and then we're gonna make it a bot, and we're gonna make it have administrator privileges. So we're just gonna copy that link that we get. And then we're gonna put it into our server. So let's just authorize that. And there we go. Tutorial bot has entered. But as you can see, it's offline. Now you're probably wondering, how do we get it online? Now here is where scripting comes in, my lads. All right. So what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to go back to our tutorial, and we're going to want to add in a main script into here. So a class, really, you're gonna want to add in a class. And so we're going to put in a new class, and we're going to call it, I'm going to call it tut, just or tutbot, short for tutorial bot, tutbot, Java, just like that. And I do recommend minimizing these down, just gives you more space. I'm just going to zoom in by pressing Control plus and minus. And yeah, so let's get started on the coding. Now, what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to import our JDA package, JDA Java Discord API. That's how we're going to code this whole thing. Now, that's not automatically a part of this. That would be silly. Like, you can't just have an add-on automatically a part of it. So, I'm going to right-click on Tutorial Bot, go to Properties. We're going to go to Java Build Path, Libraries, and we're going to click on Add External Jars. Now, the jar that you got from the description, well, the JDA is in the description. Click on the one that says with dependencies, because that's what I'm using. And so yeah, we're gonna want to get that. Now once you've put it in, we're gonna want to click on apply and close. So now we have a reference library of it. Next, what we're gonna want to do is we're gonna want to write public static, and now we're gonna want to make a variable for JDA. So we're gonna do, and this will also help us import it as well. So JDA. Now, there's a red line under here indicating that there's an error. Now, quick fix. Basically, all you have to do is click on, hover over it and click on import. That imports it from our reference library. That's why we need our reference libraries, alright? Because it imports it directly from our reference library. But there's an even easier way. If you press on Control, Shift, and O, it will automatically import everything you need, alright? Next, we're going to want to make a prefix. Now, if you guys don't know what a prefix is, let me just go here. So you see how I did dash test. Oh no, that isn't a dash. Oh my god. Well, whatever. But yeah, I did that, and then so I type it in. That's the prefix right there. That is the prefix. Alright, that tells the bot that you are about to do something. And somebody pinged me. My guy, what do you need? What do you need? I hate it when people ping me during a video. Oof. Alright. Well, I'll deal with that later. So like dash test, and you see the bot recognizes the hyphen, looks at the rest, and it's like yo, because it saw that you said dash test. Alright, sorry about that interruption, guys. Just my little brother came into the room. So yeah, let's continue with the bot making. So where were we? I was talking about the JDAs and etc. of what you need to do, and I believe I was also talking about the prefixes, just like that. So maybe we'll make our prefix here an exclamation point. I don't know. But yeah, we're gonna want to make our prefix. We're gonna do public static, and then we're gonna want to do string, and then prefix, just like that. And then we're gonna want to make it equal to, and then this will be our prefix. So I'll just make an exclamation point. And yeah, so we don't have to import anything there. Then we're gonna want to go down, and this will be now here we'll I'll just make it the works of the bot, just like that, the works of the bot. And next we're going to want to start making the bot log in and go online. So what is the problem here? Bro, bot is a word, okay. Alright, so we're gonna want to do JDA. As you can see, that will work, don't worry. We just have to complete it, but yeah, that will work because we defined it right here. So JDA equals new JDA builder, and then we're gonna want to make the account type a bot. If you make an account type basically a person, that means it will be linked to your Discord account, and you cannot link that to your Discord account because that can get you banned. I'm not for sure on the reason why. I think it's because it can interfere with some Discord's policies. But yeah, I've heard that it can get you banned. So just make sure that the account type is a bot. So account type, and then we're going to do .bot. Then we're going to want to do .set token, just like that. And then we're going to want to grab our token from our bot. So if I go to the Discord development portal, as you can see, if we go to our bot, there is a token. Now you guys should never ever reveal a token, because if somebody has your token, they can literally take your bot and do whatever they want with it, and that is really bad. All right, so you guys have to make sure that people don't see your token. All right, now if I save this video, I will reveal my token just like that, but at the end I will be clicking on regenerate. It regenerates your token, so yeah, so you see, like, every time I click on regenerate, the token regenerates. And yeah, so that's probably what I'll be doing at the end of the video, so you guys don't know my token. But yeah, so let's go on to tutorial, and we're going to want to paste our token right into there. Great. Now we are going to want to just do go to the end and then do .build. I'm actually going to put this down a little bit. And we're going to want to do .build. Oh, I can't type today. There we go. .build. There we go. That should all be good. Yeah. What's the problem here? There is a, I don't see the problem here. I'm pretty sure I forgot a line. I'm pretty sure that's the reason why this is happening. I actually forgot to put a line right here. I'm just gonna tap that, and so we're gonna want to put in public static void main guys, just having some problems inside of the house. Alright, so string 2 brackets, and then we are going to do cards for arguments, and then we're going to want to throw in our login exception. So throws login exception, just to get some things going. Bam, I'm just going to add it in, and I'm going to select this line. I'm just going to Control X that. Bam, let's just put that in. Yeah, so that's why those that combo wasn't working. And we're going to want to import the login exception. And yeah, so we should be good on that. Now, if we run this right here, that should actually, believe it or not, start up our bot. So as you guys can see, it is offline. So if we click this button right here, that should actually start our bot. So yeah, always save resources before launching. Just check that. And yeah, so as you can see, our bot is now online right here. Our bot is now online. And if we go over here, you should see something like this. If it says finish loading right there on the bottom, and that means the login to your bot was successful. And there we go. Our tutorial bot is up and running. So yeah, there's also another link in the description to a Discord, another Discord, not one of which. It's Sys Overflow. It's actually really nice for like people who want to learn Java, JDA, even Pi, etc. To make bots. They're just amazing people. So let's just minimize that down, and I'm actually gonna open that up. Hang on, window, show view, console. I'm actually just gonna open that back up because I'm gonna terminate the connection, just like that. And when we terminate the connection, that means it turns off the bot. Now, for you, I'll most likely say the bot is still online. That's because it takes a little bit for Discord to update it and realize that the bot is now offline. But I'll show you guys later after we make our first command that it won't work after we terminate the connection, even though it will still say online. So we're going to want to go on to here, and then we're going to want to I want to make it like this. So you see how I set it to idle, and I made it say that it was watching Wanwood, which is this server, because I made it specifically for Wanwood. Now I'm gonna make it say watching Derpy, because you know, you gotta always watch my channel, man. You gotta always watch my channel. So let's go to tutorial, and then I'm gonna want to go back to build. Next, I wanted to do JDA dot get presence. So that's how we set, and then we're going to want to do dot, whoops, ooh, hang on, I kind of messed up there, dot set status, then we're going to want to do online status, and then we'll make it idle. How about that? So yeah, just make sure all of that is make sure everything is all done and done. Make sure everything's imported. Now since I auto completed it, everything immediately got imported. So yeah, just make sure everything gets imported. And if you don't have all of these up here, then you should add them. Like let's say you don't have JDA builder. Like you don't see this line, but you need to have it because you have a JDA builder. So you're gonna need to enable that. So yeah, now if we actually start up our bot, just right here, if we actually just start this guy up, it should have idle. So as you guys can see, it now says that it is idle, which is actually really cool. So if we go back on here, I'm just gonna terminate the connection real quick. I just wanted to show that quickly to you guys. And now we should actually, I'm gonna make it say watching. So we're gonna want to do JDA dot get presence dot set game. Oh my god, why does it keep going to the second line? What's happening? Alright, so dot set game. And then we're going to want to do game dot, whoops, got that wrong, game, so that should actually be capital, game, I can't type, game dot watching, and then since we auto completed it, it'll automatically import as well, game dot watching, and then Derpy, because that's my YouTube channel. So if we actually excuse me, this is this still running? Did I forget to terminate it? I think I terminated it, right? I'm pretty sure I terminated the connection. Yeah, I did. It would say it was running. Yeah, I think it just didn't finish yet. So if we run it, I don't think it will change the status. But if it does, that would be nice, so you guys can see. Oh, it did. Okay. That didn't happen to me last time when I was working with Winebot, but there we go. This is watching Derpy. is watching my YouTube channel, like how you guys should be, and you guys are right now, which I love you for doing that. Thank you so much. So let's just terminate the connection. And yeah, so now we get to the fun stuff. Yes, we're going to the fun stuff, people. We're getting to the freaking fun stuff because we are making commands. How happy are you now? Yeah, you guys should be so happy. All right, so we're gonna want to right click on this package, create a new package, and we're gonna call it dot commands. All right, finish that, and then we're gonna want to add in a new class, and we will name it test, just like that. And we're gonna click on finish, and here's our test. So what we're gonna want to do is we're gonna want to we have to add in a listener adapter. That's how we'll make sure that that the bot can see everything and everything will be good. So we're gonna want to do extends listener adapter, right? And then we're gonna want to do Control-Shift-O so that we put in the listener adapter, sorry, not adapter. And then we're gonna want to do public void, and then we're gonna want to do on yields message received, and then we want to do two brackets yield message received event just like that. And we're gonna want to put that in, and then yeah, now we're gonna have that. Everything's like that. It's gonna say that it's wrong. Then we just do Control-Shift-O and import that in. Why is it not importing? I don't think I typed it in wrong, did I? Oh yeah, I did. I wrote even, not event. So yeah, now Control-Shift-O just to import that. Next, we're gonna want to add in a argument string. So we're going to do string args. If I'm going too fast for you guys, you guys can always pause the video. But yeah, so strings args equals event dot get message. So we'll get the message. All right. Honestly, this is pretty self-explanatory. Jesus, why does that keep happening? All right, dot get message. All right. Not add reaction. And then so dot get message. And then we're going to do dot get content raw, two brackets, and then a dot outside out, and then we're going to want to add in a split, and we're just going to make that two brackets, and then forward slash or backslash, or is that backslash? Yeah, backslash s plus. Where's the plus button? Here it is. So yeah. Now we're just gonna want to add in that semicolon at the end, so that everything's good. Now you're probably gonna be seeing this line right here. Don't worry. It's just that the variable hasn't been used. The variable hasn't been used yet. But we are about to use it right now. So if args, as you guys can see, it's fixed now. If args, and we're gonna make it 0. Now I'm gonna explain to you why we're doing it 0. And if you probably don't get what arguments even are yet. So an argument is that's an argument. So if we say, I don't know, hi, that's arg1, right? So, and then if we say hi, hello, right? So that's, well actually no, this is actually arg0. Sorry about that. Because Java actually counts from 0 and up. So, and then this is, if we say hi, hello, 0, and then 1. So yeah, as you can see, those are just some arguments. So that's how we work with arguments right here. So we're just detecting for one argument, or kind of argument 0. Here, I'll call it argument 0. Yeah. So we're looking for argument 0, and then dot equals ignore case. And then we're gonna want to reference our tutbot file right there. So I'm gonna put in tutbot. All right, and then I'm gonna do dot prefix, and we'll do test, and then just put that there, just like that, and everything should be good. Now, if you don't know what tutbot.prefix is, you should know what a prefix is, right? Because we assigned that right here. Public static string, prefix, and that's our prefix right there. Right? So you guys should know what we're referring to here. So, next what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to do event. Well, here we're going to make it look like it's typing. So, event.get channel. Well, if you guys, let's hope you guys know what I mean. So, when we're typing, you see this little typing icon right there. Now for other players down here, it will show that we're typing here. If I go to preemptive server, up here, oh, nobody's typing right now. This Kaneko Kitten server. Yeah, you see people are typing just like that. Now we're gonna want to make the bot look, its icon go like that, and make it say it's typing. So what we've got to do is what I'm actually doing right now. Event.get channel, and then we're gonna want to send typing. So dot send send typing. All right, and then we're gonna want to queue it up. Dot queue. The reason we're gonna want to queue it up, we're gonna put it in the queue of things to do. So next we're gonna want to do event dot get channel. Right here. If you guys don't know what a channel is, like you're on Discord, you guys have to know what a channel is. All right, this is a channel right here. All right, so it's just gonna get the channel that it's that's on. All right, so get channel, and then we're gonna want to do dot send. All right, so yeah, send. My mic cut out for a second. Yeah, so send. Message, and then we're gonna want to do yo, so it'll send yo. All right, dot q. All right, and there we go. So guess what? You, us, we just made our first command, right? Bam! You guys are probably so happy right now. But when you guys are going to go to run it, it's not going to work. Now, that's because we're going to have to add it to the main. You guys always have to add it to the main. You guys have no idea how many times I've forgotten to add it to the main. And I just kept editing the command because I thought that it had to do with the command. And I just didn't add it to the main. I just felt so stupid. So you guys need to add it to the main, right? So gda.add event listener. Then we're going to want to do new, and then we're going to want to do the name of the class and 2 brackets. Next, we're going to want to do Control-Shift-O to import the class into here. And now we're ready to go. Everything should work. So if we do test, exclamation point test, everything should work perfectly well. So if we run our bot, as you can see, there we go. And if we do -test, moment of truth. Wait, no, not dash test, sorry. That moment of truth. There we go. It responded. There we go, guys. You guys made your very own first ever command. Give yourselves a pat on the back. That is a really good goal that you guys just did. All in around. I have no idea actually. I have no idea how long this video is. But you guys, I'm telling you guys did that in a short amount of time. I'm happy for you guys that you guys managed to do it, and if you guys did have any problems, just leave them down in the description, and I'll be glad to help you. I'll help you any day, right? Alright, so hope you guys enjoyed this video. Have a good day, and peace.